evening, everyone. It's Jabulani 2.0. Woohoo! We're here. We did it. Jabulani has been a dream come true. It started as a concept, and now it's been brought to life 2 years in a row. The research we do, I read a lot of the research reports. I have to write and edit most of the research we do. So having to see it on stage and the artists just take that research and tell our stories in powerful, meaningful ways is just exceptional.
How odd to be Black and a woman and born in this world. Perhaps all this is an endless return to before, the place the spirits gather. Rabbi, ya Rabbi, grant me a boredom that is blessed. Long before the silence of an empty return, I want space to be whatever I choose, time and place where the woman before me exists in the empty pauses. Before the tea is brewed or the baby's nursed or the meat stewed, before any of us are fed, I want a world we didn't birth, something beyond the sacrifice of our bodies. Rabbi, ya Rabbi, grant us freedom, inner peace, a boredom that is blessed, a boredom that is blessed.
Hey, like the whales of the sea, graceful and resilient, simplistic yet brilliant, a testament to the existence of ancient wisdom carried down through the divine intelligence of DNA and genetics, honey. It's excellence, excellence, it's excellence, excellence, it's excellence.
With 10-foot-6 strummed vessels in the hills of Lusaka, humming the sun.
Today, we are suspended in an emergency room, waging on heaven for a new life from overdrawn accounts and tired hands. Like the caterpillars, the clotion saying, I am the change necessary. The fire and the branch burning too. My aunties who do not back down, whose love still holds me close in days that I forget that I indeed love beyond measure.
I see my grandmother's kind, piercing gaze. From my Baba's side,
All I can say right now is that my heart is full. It's full of gratitude, it's full of joy. It's just, I am proud of our community and just how we support and find creative ways through just people telling their stories to us. Jabulani is such an amazing and much needed platform, not just for the African, Caribbean and Black community, but all communities. It's healing, it's powerful, the reflections are just extraordinary when people are able to see themselves in the spaces that the artists create. And Rouge as an organization is able to just create that space.
Think about $5 million. All right? Think about $5 million.
They pick so much ackee in the basket, ackee in the apron. I don't know if you know how we bring ackee like this. Ackee in the apron. And they're coming back now
Journey, I would say. This is my last Jabulani because I'm moving on to other ventures. Well, hey, you never know, but formally just leading. So I've led the process over the last 4 years that I've been ED or consulting ED at the Rouge Foundation. So it's been my concept vision brought to life. And now we've had 2 years of Jabulani. I can't wait to see what next year holds and where someone else can take this vision. But I'm truly grateful. I feel blessed. I feel privileged to have led such an amazing initiative. I give my greatest appreciation to the artists who bring the stories to life and who help us, shape what happens on the stage, because they put their heart, soul, tears, everything in it, and they bring it alive, and they help us connect as human beings and as a community.
When I'm bracing the wind and standing in the storm, with my arms wide open but my quivering soul, I'm stepping out. Just like yesterday, you said that you love me. You promised to put a ring on it, baby. Stupid was I to fall, stupid was I to believe you, and how you walked away. Oh, all my friends are laughing, but I'm laughing the hardest, baby, 'cause I'm bad on my feet. All my friends are laughing, but I'm laughing the hardest, baby.
Every other thing you think of, being a man who could think everything better than you, who could think of ever hurting you. That was my